मॅडम ते जे लेटराचेर एक कन्फ्युजन चालू जालें आनी कालसून आमी ते सगळे कडेन तेच आयकता. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट एक्झॅक्टली?
See, that letter is specified for the people because people brought objections. Or they came to us because the panchayat has no say. Okay, and that is the Supreme Court order that is passed. That panchayat has no say, and the people, affected people, have to come. They have to personally fight. Okay, then people gave their objection to us, and then we discussed this matter with the RVNL. Okay, and we had a VDC meeting, discussion was done, everything is there, and after discussion we wrote to RVNL discussing these points which were there, and we have not given NOC. Why should does Panchayat has right to give NOC? Panchayat is having land somewhere to give for double tracking. We don't have anything and we don't have any right to give. How can anywhere it is written on that letter there is it is a NOC from the Panchayat to do the work?
It is mentioned sustainable development according to them.
Yeah.
What
is sustainable development? You tell. It is the air pollution, noise pollution which is there. That is to be brought to control. People are suffering. So there is no road, the waterways are blocked. All those things are to be channelized first. They are coming to our jurisdiction. They are doing the work without even, first of all, demarcating the area. They are doing the work without even having any plans with them. We asked for plans. They are giving us the plans of Kansauli. And now the latest plan they gave us, that is not showing anything in this area. That means our people have to suffer.
So your stand is opposed to coal?
I have been and I'll continue to oppose this. I am not supporting. That is very clear. I have always been, and till last month I have been standing there with people. I am with my people because they are opposing double tracking. I am with them and I'll remain with them.
Yes, thank you.